Next, you'll create an object to represent the first frame of your animation. Your object should have three properties or keys, which are input vol, margin top, and add L delay. Input vol will represent the value of the input each time your recursive function runs. Margin top will be the top margin for document object model. DOM elements will add to the page. Add L delay. I think this L is element will be the delay between adding DOM elements to the page. Add an object to animation data with an input vol property set to 5, margin property set to 300, and add element delay property set to 100. So as far as we can remember, in order to create object within the array is to first create a curly bracket within the this bracket. I forgot what's it called. Anyways, we then have to create an object which is animation data. I mean, no, which is the input val, which will have a property set to 5, and then of course don't forget the comma. We declare the margin top with a property of 300. Don't forget the comma. Add element delay. Set the property as 1000, and we don't need the comma.